Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to add, edit and publish a post on your Blogger blog. To get started, we need to come over to create a new post. On this page, we are going to set up our post. Here is where we are going to put up the post title, and here is the main body of the post. I've opened up one of my blog posts on my website and it's over here. I'm going to copy the title and I'm going to paste it into my notepad in order to remove all the formatting, and I'm going to come right here and paste it right there. So also I'm going to go over to the body section and I'm going to copy some part of the post. Let's make it to be just 2, and I'm going to come over to notepad to remove the formatting, and I'm going to copy it again or cut it again, and I'm going to come back to the Blogger body section. So before we save or publish or preview our posts, we need to come over to the post settings area and set up all these stuffs. The first one is the label. The label is like a tag you append to each post, and it's going to help you or people visiting your blog in a lot of ways. For example, for this post now, we can have labels such as build email lists. Okay, you can separate them with a comma, like you can have email list building. You can have expert roundup posts, and all those sort of tags you can append to each post. After you've done that, you click on done, and then you can come back to the schedule. In the schedule, you'll be able to set up how you want your blog post to be posted. Is it going to be automatic? Automatic in the sense that once we hit the publish button, the post is going to go live on your blog and all your blog visitors will be able to start reading the post immediately. Whereas the section for set date and time, you can schedule your post in this place. You can select the month, the day, the year, and the time of the day you want the post to be posted on your blog. But for this post, we want it to be automatic, so we are going to select automatic and click on done. Then we have the permalink. This is going to be the extension of the URL, like jamioloede.blogspot.com, then the year, the month, and then you have the trailing URL here. So we can have a customized URL by clicking here. So I'm going to change this to something like build email list. Okay, and I'm going to click on done when that is on. So instead of being the very long URL, you can see we've been able to trim it down to just 3 words. And also in the location, you can add your location if you like and click on done. So also in the option area, you have readers comment. Do you want to allow readers of your blog to leave comments, or if you don't want them to leave comments, you just want them to read and go, you can select don't allow. But in this blog, we want to allow visitors of our blog to leave comments, so I'm going to choose the allow option. We also have the other part of the option area. I would advise you to leave this as it is and click on done. Now once we are through with the post settings, we can either go ahead and publish the post, or we come over here and save the post, or you come over here to preview it, or if you want to close it, you don't want to go ahead with it, you just click on close. Now that we are done with the post settings, I'm going to click on the publish button and publish the post. Boom, here is the post and it has been published. So if I want to share the post on social media, I can click over here. If you want to delete it, you can click over here. If you want to view how it's going to look like, you can click over here. If you want to edit the post, you can just click on edit. And here is the post. You can go ahead, probably if you want to add images, you can go ahead. You want to add GIFs, you can go ahead. So also let's look over to the preview of the live post. You see May 30 2018, and this is the title. If you scroll down, you'll be able to read the entire post. Awesome. This is how to add, edit, and publish a post in Blogger dashboard. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video.